superstar யாருன்னு கேட்டா அந்த பாட்டு கண்டிப்பா பாருங்க. இந்த பாட்டுல they both will be dancing and பின்னாடி வந்து இந்த கன்சென்ட்ரி போட்டுட்டே இருப்பாங்க. Shola Grasslands of Woodley. And this movie I'm sure came out in the 1980s. Yes. எவ்வளவு pollution. இதெல்லாம் கேட்கவே முடியாதா? Why can't we question? Why are we actually consumers of entertainment that's polluting? Why are we consumers of any product that is contaminating polluting? Why are we consumers of any act that is contaminating polluting? And why is it handful of few people's responsibility that they have to undo the mistakes of 1.4 billion people? It is impossible for whether it's EFI or Overcome Group or you name the organization. It doesn't even matter. You will not be able to work on the after generation. Not only know what the EFI is. Then who's our organization? When is the larger population going to actually take the responsibility, and where do I have the opportunity to present this case than in a place like this? Because every time we go to any university, college, I give you a piece of paper and I ask you to draw something about nature. What would you draw? You draw a hill, you draw a stream, you put a coconut tree, you put a V-shaped bird, you put a butterfly. Under that coconut tree, you put a triangular house, and if you're a little bit more artistic, you draw stick figures of your father, mother, and loved ones, and you have a sun which is rising or setting behind that tree. Do we have any of this? Despite having all of this natural habitat, how are we using it? Being in the coastal city, how many of us know to swim in the ocean? How many of us actually have gone canoeing? How many of us have used our natural habitat, whether it's the use of motorcycle, without the validation that we see in the form of a photograph or a video? How many of us are physically fit to be out there? Nature conservation is no choice, is no compulsion, it's common sense. And the earth doesn't need any saving. Let me be 100% clear on this. You all know it. We need protection from fellow human beings on this planet. So many lives, the great Indian bastard hardly 80 or 90 left. And it gives me sleepless nights to think that this bird would very well become extinct in the next few years. Yet species even before proper scientific documentation is gone. Nobody cares about the kind of berry bearing, nectar bearing, fruit bearing vegetation and the life that this vegetation would support, and then the further dependent life cycle which is a beautiful system and setup. Hydrogeomorphology. Earth morphology and structural integrity. Hydrogeomorphology and the time, place, and seasonality when earth and water meet. When does this happen? It happens when it rains. Where will water flow from higher elevation to a deeper depression? These are not basics. We don't have to be engineers.